What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Chase. I'm back with another video. In today's video, if you're wondering about the light, I changed the light to dim because I don't know, I like the dim light better. You know what I'm saying? I don't really like the fluorescent lights, like that one. I like this one better. So yeah, that's about the light. And if you wonder about my hair, I'm about to do my hair, so don't worry about that. But I got this package in the mail. I'm trying to show my address. I got this package in the mail, so yeah, we gonna unbox it before I do my hair because where my scissors go. So what I bought was this fuzzy toe. I got this one from Target. This came yesterday and I just put all my stuff in it. Well, not just put all my stuff in it. I put all my stuff in it yesterday, but see, all my stuff is in it. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this one. Aw, she's cute. And this is what she looks like. I don't have a black bag. Or, well, they had the brown bag. But I was like, I was gonna get it. But I was like, I already have a brown bag, so I don't want to get the brown. And then I was like, you know what? I have the perfect coat that matches this. So I was like, I'm gonna get this one because it's black. Let me show y'all my coat. And I have a perfect coat that matches this one as well. Y'all, I'm extra. When I tell y'all I'm extra, I'm extra. So I'm finna go in my closet and I'm finna show y'all like the coats I have to match with these. Y'all ready for this? So this is the one. This is the hoodie. This is the hoodie that I have that matches my other bag. Oh, it's kind of off shades, but I'm gonna make this work. So this is the one I have, and this one matches perfectly because it's black. I love this one. I'm gonna put it on. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, it's on backwards. Okay. So this is the coat. And then this is the bag. Same. This is so cute. And then it has a little clip on the inside. But yeah. This purse and this bag, adorable. I love it. And mainly like what I'm gonna be carrying in this bag is like my charger, some wipes, my keys, my wallet. So my wallet, my wipes, keys, sanitizer, a mask, my AirPods, and my phone. And that fits. And my phone is, I'm recording off my phone, but all that fits in here. So yeah, she's cute. I like it. And it was only $13, y'all. $13. And you can snap it shut. Boom. Snap it shut. So this is originally $16.98, but I got it on sale for $13. And it's so cute. All right, y'all, so I have to do my hair. I don't want any more time to go by, so yeah, I'm about to do my hair and I will mess with y'all on the flip side. This was just a quick video to show y'all my bag. Oh, there's a zipper on the inside too. Cute, convenient. Okay, but yeah, this bag is so cute. I don't care who got nothing to say about it. I'ma wear it, I'ma rock it. And this one hasn't been outside the house yet because I just got it yesterday, but cute ass thumbnail. All right, y'all, so like I said, I'm gonna see y'all on the flip side. I'm going to do my hair, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I got this at Walmart. Did I tell y'all that? I got this one at Walmart and I got this one at Target. Which one you going for? Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.